the organization plan for this year's intramurals?
Secret daw, di na mo yan.
Secret di na mo ingon nga lami plan kay tagal tao.
How do you manage the budget?
Medyo makita ninyo nga dako jud og budget.
Brilyante ng
Brilyante.
di ba?
Brilyante po. If you can't feel pressure, there's something wrong.
Yun lang, fake it till you make it.
Good day, MSUans! Maayong adlaw, Steves!
And welcome to this special pre-intramurals episode of The Blueprint.
As excitement builds up for the upcoming events, we are honored to be with the Vice President and President of Engineering Students Organization to hear their thoughts, preparations, and what this year's intramurals mean for the STs.
Join us as we gain special insights into this much-awaited and much-anticipated occasion. I am Shanjin B. Sapenya.
And I am Aliana Sheen Suarez.
And this is H Chica, the special coverage of The Blueprint for this year's intramurals.
So, before we start, we would like to thank one of our major sponsors, the Grumpy Coffee, for making this podcast possible.
Yes, maraming salamat Grumpy Coffee for having us and for making us your minamahal.
Hi, I'm John Glency Amancho.
And I am Jeffrey Sigora, your guest for today.
So,
partner.
taas natin ang blueprint.
Yes. Okay, ako na mag-go. Kamusta ang preparation nyo sa intramural?
Diretso intro.
Sa intro sa dayon.
Wala intro.
Di mo mamali ang question. Ginibili.
Before we dive into our discussion, into this podcast, we would like to at least kumustahin muna natin ang ating guest on how's life lately, being the president and the vice president of the organization.
Ayan. Anyway, so
Alright.
update from the president. Still breathing, still living, and kinakaya ang mga hamon-hamon sa buhay.
Ayan. Okay. So, ano na pa? Message from the OVP.
Dapat Tagalog ba?
Gani.
Your Tagalog.
Sige, mensahe mula sa tanggapan ng Vice President. Perbitaan na like, kata same kay Kia Clyde, like, breathing, thriving, doing our best every day. Kay, wala ta kabalo when will our life begin? Kabalo ko kala sa ato ang life. So let's do our best every day, di ba? Our best. Ano lang, so
Strive for the best.
yes, strive for the best. Kay never go for less.
Di ba?
Strive for the best and never go for less. Ana, i-post na siya.
Jeffrey Gora 2025. We would like to ask, is there any pressure up to you now? Ang naagyapon ang pressure having that the College of Engineering has been hailed as the champion for the past years.
So, ang pressure na kaya na dayo.
Pressure off. Charis lang. Anyway, actually, this question is hindi yan siya first time na tinanong sa akin, tinanong sa amin, or ESO officers. Actually, kailang ulit yan siya natanong sa amin kung may nafe-feel ba kaming pressure in preparation for the intramurals. Actually, when we answer that, to be honest, yes, of course. Kasi pressure is part of our lives. And without it, walang challenge ang ating buhay. Tama ma?
Yeah.
So, as an officer, we are striving our best talaga na to embrace that pressure na nafe-feel namin. And hindi namin ipa-feel that siya na kaming mga leaders na nasa taas is makikita na kaming mga leaders na nasa baba na parang kami, even ourselves, cannot handle that kind of pressure. So, yun lang, fake it till you make it.
Pero kay every answer na atay
Punchline.
Basta ko ganyan na rap. Basics.
So, ayun, pressure talaga kami. The admin is nape-pressure but hindi yan siya meaning na nagpapasawalang bahala kami. We are doing our very best talaga na maiuuwi ulit ang kampiyonato ngayong taon.
Actually, we are using this pressure no para ma-inspire us the officers, and also we will inspire also the student to help us. Ika ana do kulot. Oh my God. So ato asa na ko no wala na ko. We're using this pressure as positively. Kay syempre as Kuya Clyde said, tanan man ginahimo naton agi pressure if we are striving for something, no? And ako'y katong quote nagiingon sa kuha sa kong friend, nakalimot ko kinsa. Pero if you can't feel pressure, there's something wrong. Ana gid siya. Di ba? Mo lang ano pag during manata. Pero ito, pag dili ka feel of pressure during the process of on achieving something, there's something wrong gid, di ba? Like ano man good moral, it's very difficult to be calm in the in the angry sea. Di ba? Charis lang.
How did the organization plan for this year's intramurals? Na ba yung mga na-introduce nga new strategies compared last year or same gapon? Or
We have 30 seconds to answer.
Okay, I believe.
Life for part 2.
Good evening, ever. Thank you for that wonderful question. Charis lang.
Secret daw, di na mo yan.
Oh, secret eh. Di na mo ingon nga lami plan kay dagang tao.
Ay, cliffhanger at nakatawa.
Oo, kung gusto mo makabalo, visit the office, ask me. Or i-chat ko. Ay, isa ba?
Wow, para-paraan madam.
Para-paraan ha.
Charis lang. Charis lang to. Mad to siya, guys. Pero plan. Actually, we've come up different plans and strategies, no? Kaya di naman pwede na i-recycle ang mga plans tanan last year, di ba?
Siguro, we could have that as basis.
Oo,
Kasi
basis.
yan din yung kukunan natin ng what went wrong, what went right, and what to improve. So, I guess we have different strategies from last year compared to this year. And yun, we formulate different committees, partner.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Yes, actually.
Jeff, no, like, we formulated different committees. And one of our, yung masasabi talaga namin na big preparation is we have different department officers talaga na makialam sa plano at saka sa preparation. Kasi upon observing, I was part back then as a department officer, nafe-feel ko before na my co-officers in department level is parang hindi sila parte in preparation for the whole college. Na in fact, this intramurals is whole college ang dinadala, not just ESO. So I think ESO is not just the frontliner for the intramurals preparation during and even after. Dapat lahat ng mga officers, lahat ng mga department must have their own part, hindi lamang sa mga pledges and sa mga binibigay ng mga contributions, but as well as sa manpower and creative ideas. So I think that's the big preparation that we are ngayon. We are making, and at this moment they are doing na. We are mechanizing it na talaga.
Yes. Also, for example, na may mga strategies before na nag-work, na po yung mga strategies nga wala. Katong mga go-work before, gina-adapt na mo siya, karon then gina-improve na mo ang ano. Pero katong mga wala go-work na strategy, so kato gi-change na mo siya to how are we going to mechanize it again. Although the goal is the same, pero ang strategy is dili ko siya, different na siya. Mao lang gid lang, Then, the preparation, wala lang ninyo nakita, pero watch out. So, watch out? Watch out.
So watch out.
Watch
Yes. Actually, ang isa sa mga medyo like pansin daw ng in other students is hindi daw nagpo-post ang ESO na mga looking for players and participants, 'di ba? Kasi gusto namin na makita ng ibang unprepared, pero no, hindi po kami unprepared. The ESO is not, wala po yan, hindi po yan dumating ang araw na wala po kami nag-prepare from the very first start.
Actually,
From the SEM planning pa talaga.
Dili, election pa.
Election. Actually, application.
Kaya pala, actually, bisag bisag, di ba, even before some planning pa gid. Ka-plan for some planning, or katong before turnover pag plan sa atong ganap pa, gaano na mi baga, throw na mi og mga ideas, sa atong plan for intram. So I think ato ka dugay gid ang preparation sa intramurals. Dili kasi intramurals although is a extracurricular event.
Hindi naman talaga siya yung main definition ng pagiging MSU1 natin. But it is, ano na siya, great impact sa atin as a student kasi maripapunta na ito nga, kulang ta, dili tayo MSU kung wala po tayo intram.
Yeah.
So, sa lahat ng mga
intramurals, ang highlight po sa
Oo.
university.
Actually, gid. Ginadayo siya sa other schools.
Actually, welcome mo sila. Welcome.
Oh, welcome.
Actually, nag-away-away na. Ay,
Welcome sila, welcome,
welcome
mo
po
guys.
kayo.
So, nami band, ayun sa band.
So, namin banda, gino'y tamang cup of joe. Asin.
Kapag siya asin o ano.
Exclusive lang po sa College of Engineering.
Yes, ang Eraserheads na, watch. Charis ka
Invite naman si Beyonce.
Yes, also Lady Gaga.
Asa na ta?
Uy, Charis, asa na ta?
How do you come up with any solutions regarding the challenges we are facing during the preparations sa atong intramurals?
And paano ninyo gi-respond to nga mga challenges?
Actually, challenges, dili gina siya mawala. No. Sa tanang event, nagi challenges. Even mga event nga dili intrams, lagi siya challenges. The first thing that we did or what we did pag maka-encounter me og challenges, talk. Mga gid na, di ba? Talk about it kung unsa ang need, unsa ang karang need i-improve.
Conversation is the key.
Yes, conversation is the key. Mula yung gihapon.
Kasi yung sabi nila, conversation is a two-way, ano yan?
Basta, conversation is in
Mali.
the eye of the beholder.
Communication is a two-way process.
Mm-mm.
You need to know ano yung hinaing niya and you will listen. And ikaw din, sabihin mo din yun at pakikinggan ka rin niya. So, yun talaga, number one is to communicate. Kasi, if hindi yan siya napag-usapan, lalakyan siya.
Actually,
Pero
like,
sa intrams na,
intrams na concept. And the context of intramurals, na magyapon mga challenges. No?
Yes.
Isang karon good namin challenges, karang mag-isod mi o karang pangita og members.
participants,
So,
players.
but what we are doing is communicate lagi, naga-communicate mi sa mga ex-officials, kato mo, tatagiray mo, di ba?
Kasi, ito Jeff, sorry to cut you off. Anyway, kasi ang napapansin kasi namin, there are other members talaga na they are more than willing to join but they have no platform to express themselves or yung mga sarili nila, their selves pala. Kasi, so, ako, pansin ko yun siya, ang ginagawa ko talaga is, sinasabihan ko yung mga ex-officials, yung mga nasa grassroots na, go, i-push nyo kasi kulang yan sila ng push. So, yung, for example, we are lacking for participants for our NIS. So, that is a new event naman, di ba?
Actually, you
So, ang ginagawa namin ngayon is, pinakausap talaga namin ang mga ex-officials na i-push nyo pa yung mga constituents nyo kasi kulang yan sila ng push.
Oo.
And, parang top sa likod sila.
Tapos
Sa likod tayo. Ano siya?
kasi wala yung nag-top sa iya.
Ay, sige. Tapos, sorry po. So, ano siya ba? Another challenge po, siguro the pera.
Oo, yeah.
Kasi we have allocated, alam nyo naman, sino dito, di ba naman sa GA? So, we have allocated an amount for our intramurals. Pero meron talagang ibang events na nagpapa-additional. So, we, the executive body, pag na mag-ask yes, submit formal letter, kung ano yung mga unforeseen, ay mga foreseen expenses ninyo na i-justify ang pagpapa-additional ng budget. Tapos, ang treasurer namin, wala siya.
Kalutulo na gid siya.
Wala siya mo.
Oo, siya. Hindi lang naman kasi gastos lang tayo ng gastos
Oo,
for the
yes.
intramurals kasi hindi lang intrams ang events ng COE or ng ESO. May pinaghahandaan din kami. What if may darating na
Naunos.
Ayan. So, yun yung another challenge din.
Wait lang. Ato gani. Actually, before Gid, di ba before I was the counselor sa ESO, siya, like, for example, I can see the struggle, Gid, na sa executive, nga, o sa kalisod, mag-budget sa kwarta, Gid, sa intramurals. So, kay kababata, intramurals is not a joke in terms of expenses. Grabe gid siya.
Kutong i-post pa sa Boy MSU.
Oo, kung budget na 1 million, mali mo, dili 1 million.
1.5.
Contingency pa naman ng 1 million.
Contingency.
Pledges pa daw sa mga departments.
Kamu na bahal. O katong, let's go back. Katong, nakita na ko ang struggle guys sa executive, pero lahi gid siya pag ma-feel na nimo ang struggle. Like, lisod jud kaayo siya. Lisod lang gani nga, i-observe pa lang nimo ang struggle. Unsa na kung ikaw ang nasa situation. Gabi gid, karon gina, abi ninyo guys, daghan kay mi kwarta. Pero, gabi gid ang stretch.
Nag-open up.
Nag-open up naman, Jenny.
Ako kabalo sa pagyagi. Nagilak ka ba? Taris lang.
Charis na.
Ato na. That's it. This is Miss Cynthia.
That's it. This is Johnny.